Welcome, soft washers, soft washing industry alike. I want to talk about an exciting new genre, and that's the added addition of Midwest soft wash equipment from Indianapolis. We'll run through a few components here. To date, at shooting of this video, you can see all the information at ionicsystems.com.au, an amplitude of drop-down tabs and products under pressure cleaning and soft washing, whether individual components or full turnkey complete skid systems. Keep an eye out, it's all flicking to a main mega shop at Blue Tongue Industries, where you'll be able to tailor a system to suit you in whatever genre you choose, or DIY and buy individual components. Hoses, tanks, reels, complete turnkey soft washing equipment. Today we have a remote rinse module and a proportioner. So the proportioners will be set up and tailored to suit particular systems. All our 12 volt systems will be powered by Everflow, whether it's 12 volt, 20 litres a minute, 5.5 gallon, or the new 24 volt system, 10 gallon a minute system coming out soon to Australia. From a gas powered, petrol powered system, we'll be targeting the P36 and P40 Comet pumps driven by the Honda GX200. So the valves and the configuration on how you'd like to drive the system, whether 12 volt, 24 volt or gas petrol powered, will determine the proportioning system required to suit you. The remote rinse modules will allow you to flick between water and a rinse. So we have great range on these particular systems, and as simple as the remote control, a single hose, you'll be able to flick between your water and your rinse. We have a single soap control, so that single on-off solenoid will control your soap in to your proportioning system, and a three-way valve which is all tied together feeding back to your proportioning system, where we can dial in the concentrations and percentages that you require. All on remote, single hose, application of your chemical, flicking over to a rinse. And on the P40, if you watch our up and coming videos with the red rinse guns, you'll see the distance that we can travel and the heights we can obtain on those particular models. We have here today the XL proportioning system, so we'd hook this up to a P40 Honda configuration. Hayes springs, check valves, so we limit the corrosion control, and we all know what SH can do. On the manifold we have a suction line going back to the pump. We have a return bypass line, which we can configure that in a couple of different ways, and you can ask us about that. So all the different proportioning valves. This one has two soaps, so two soaps in. One will be connected back to the remote control, and the second one will be manual. We have our water in and our chem in, and the chem in will come from the water SH on the remote control unit. Finite adjustment, and if you come in, you'll be able to see the graduations on the valves themselves to be able to control your percentage mix on that percentage as required. So all this and much, much more in the coming weeks and months at Blue Tongue Industries. Complete DIY systems, parts, or complete turnkey skids. Keep an eye out for that new site. All the videos, if you're watching this today, you can check them out under Blue Tongue Industries on YouTube. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you on the next video.